And here we are after all these months, enjoying the fruits of our labor.
Alright, Sea Dogs, we're back at the 260 to 7-ish hours. He has just been taking off the peel ply cloth, like I showed you in the last round. And he's getting ready to montage the keel, so to speak.
Don't worry, Hedo. It's only an old salty Swedish sea dog out there from the salty seas, you know.
And yeah, I'll just give the video over to Espen.
From the previous video, a comment made by Akin, he talks about how traditionally before the last plank you're giving a whiskey party with the workers and celebrate putting the last plank. This plank is often called the whiskey plank. But Espen said to me, in the good old days, when fishing boats and larger vessels were built by a team of workers, thick planks needed to be steamed in a closed box for a couple of hours to be able to bend to the curves of the hull, and must be bent to shape immediately before they lose their flexibility. To encourage the workflow and speed, they were sometimes served a shot of liquor for each plank completed. This was the hardcore version of the so-called whiskey plank, the last one to finish the hull. This meant they had to work really fast to get a buzz, not the best time to get in their way. One story tells of an old skipper coming to see his boat during the build. As he was leaning over the topside, his long beard got caught under a freshly steamed plank as it was clamped down to the frames. The workers refused to remove it, had their drink and moved on to the next plank. His beard was cut and left as part of the caulking between the planks. The glory days of health and safety regulations.
And like the true boat builder / woodworker he is, he even has his tuxedo in his workshop. I love it. So while Espen is slaving away on his boat, he has fastened the keel since last time, and we're in around 285 hours. Lick your finger and stick it in the air about. Right now we are preparing to turn the boat around, so we'll have a look inside. He is gonna hoist it up a bit, or yak it up, like we say in Norway. And he's just preparing all the little things in order for us to be able to use this contraption to turn it around. Espen was trying to tell was he was gonna make it water. I don't know what it's called in English.
Level.
Level, yeah, level. And he's gonna clean it up inside. And what he means is by that is that these ones with tape on it, he's gonna remove. These ones are still gonna stay. And then he's gonna do the biaxial glass fiber thing on the inside to strengthen it before he's able to take these ones off. So that's about it.
Just try it on and move around a bit and take some measurements and see how it's gonna be.
Move it around, measurements. Let's see. 400 hours we're in about now. Couldn't say.
So it just about fits down there. Also, I don't think it's not in dead center right now, so
Yeah.
always room for improvement.
Exciting times. We didn't get it into the water.
No.
Into the water. No. But then we have some stuff to look forward to next year.
I guess I'll just have to take my chances that it's a decent design. So
Yeah. Finish it up next year and then just throw it in, see if
Yeah.
it floats.
yeah,
Yeah.
that's how it's gonna go.
Awesome. So what have we been doing since last time?
Well, I've been glassing the inside, and you see the heel ply as always. Needs to come off.
So just the same thing as you did on the outside?
Same thing in the reverse on the inside. Yes.
Yeah. That's why it's been a while since I've been here. Nothing much has happened.
So yeah, I'm hoping to get some. I'm hoping to finish this piece by November, and then start on the outside. And hopefully interior, seats, everything in February, March.
Yeah. Looking forward to it.
Me too.